So guys, what's up, Mananap? First mi nag-ila kay sa kuan sa work sa caravan sa city ba. Ano tos dito kay murag among nature sa work kay siya nasa field tapos ako naapod sa field, so ito mi nag-ilhanay sa caravan.
Stricto pero kani murag baby baby attitude. Ano na mi 4 years na mi in a relationship, was growing strong.
Ang kami yun, kinahanglan, you have to work together. Mark, patience, and then acceptance.
Oh boy!
Bahala daw o kangkong basta kanunay magminahalay. Magunsa man ang adobo kung sigig lagubo. O kira ang talbos basta magsigig gapos. O gakos-gakos. Apan ang mutuo, mga pasmo.
Akong message para sa mga card. Magmalig-on lang ta duha despite sa mga trials. Ato lang giibutang sa atong self na sa atong self ug atong mind na si Lord ang atong sentro sa atong relationship.
Happy birthday! Then this is it. Then love you, babe.
Time be, dili Japon ko mag-promise, but I will vow you this. I vow to always be your protector and confident, responsible for making sure your every need is met, every want is reached, and every dream realized.
I love you more than the bad days ahead of us. I love you more than any fight we'll ever have. I love you more than any obstacle that could try and come between us. With my whole heart, I take you as my husband, acknowledging and accepting your faults and strengths as you do mine.
This great moment in our life, looking into your beautiful eyes, I vow to always be your good thing. With love in my heart, always be by your side to my last breath. I love you, B, always and forever. Wow.
Kung mabot man ang pagsulay, ibutang lang dyan nato sa isip na si Lord mo ay sentro sa atong relationship. And God will never leave us nor forsake us. He will restore everything